Now one in a billion. They never wanted to let us in. Guess who's stepping in the building? Stayed up till I came up. I ain't had nothing but a vision. Yeah. Ooh.
Swear my team move way too different.
Hey, yeah, we one in a million.
Ha! 247 365 building.
Got no love for the system.
Swear my dreams are way too vivid.
Hey, no one network got to unlock from the beast to the business district.
Yeah, ECB on repeat, taking over. Tell your brothers and sisters. Hey.
That we one in a million.
It was pretty much completely orange and red from rust, so I've got as much rust off as I can. I'm going to clean it and then treat the rust and then paint it, but first I have to clean it and let it dry.
Now it looks like a donut with a condom on it.
Yeah. Yep.
Now, as we see here, Kel's adding the condom.
Don't.
That's fantastic.
Can you spray me again?
As you can see, started cleaning the transmission and putting the dirt onto the engine block and putting water on it, so it will rust for future. Excellent choice. It died. I'll meet you halfway, there. Now, come up. Yeah, you can tie knots, can't you? Yeah. Can you? Yeah. Alright, well here you go. But you try to make it nice and tight, so I don't get more wet when I clean everything. So it's not very tight right now. That's the way.
That?
Yeah.
And so we are tying it upright and then doing the German custom of cooking the engine and having a beef roast. Why not?
Yeah, was it tight enough?
As we know, this is called Boltwurst.
Rotwurst?
Ja, Boltwurst, mein Freund.
Lecker, lecker. Yum.
So is this tight enough?
So you wrap the Barra with a paper bark and then you put it into the coals to make it nice and hot. For later.
Yeah, and then we cook it. Then I'm covered in water already.